All right. Welcome. Day 64. All right. Today, I got some time. Let's let's get back to the note down project. You guys think of the name of it? Too ass. Note down. I don't know. I think of a better name maybe later. But regardless, so where was I? I think my main thing, right, was handling the stuff here. So okay, I had some ideas. I was looking around with Replit. If you guys know what Replit is, right? And I noticed, I mean, there's like a WebSocket. This is kind of what I'm looking for as well. And I'm curious, like, what do they do to this, like, to make this thing here, right? Yeah. So, so I'm curious how this is like made. So I did some specting, right? And then like when I look here, every single word is like a span or like a div, my bad. Yeah, a div. Which is like, oh, okay. And then I noticed like um now it's a word, right? But I was thinking like, okay. I was thinking, well, but this probably would help render the stuff, right? Is by single word. But I was thinking of creating um for every single character, I have like a span tag for him, right? And then yeah. Should I reorganize this so for every word? Whatever. I'm gonna have every single little character as a div or like a span tag with a data class. Data class. Right? The data attribute, my bad. Right? So it's gonna be the data and then maybe I'll put the UUID. So instead of me like comparing here, right? I'm actually compare the text content, which is like really bad, right? So I'm gonna redo this logic for sure. And then when I render this, right, I'm not making string. I'm actually gonna be adding HTML nodes, right? And then this also helps with like the selection stuff. So that's my goal for today. Try to bring that to life. Exactly. So data. Data name should yep. Is store custom private data to a page or application. Data which gives us the ability to embed custom data attributes on all HTML elements. So I was thinking maybe I'll just do like a span tag. So let's get that implementation first, right? So okay, first of course, I know this is really bad to do, like making a custom. Like okay, I will. Like I will figure out. I'll figure out a better one. This is temporary for now. Not meant to be. I just needed. I didn't want to download anything yet. I just want to get the logic out the way. So ignore my thing there, right? But regardless, let's see this. Okay. Okay. Also, I think I'm coming back to this. I don't think this key down event is worth. Fortunately. Yeah. Fortunate. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna work out. It just doesn't flow right. So we'll just be back to this. Delete operation, send out JSON. Yeah. But the thing is, I'm sending in more complicated data, or I'm rendering more complicated data. So right. So let's actually I'm not gonna even do this. I just need to basically. I don't even need to do this either. Like, let's do this. Let's do this. This is what I gotta do. All I have to do is add, the editor, or what is it called? Create it. I think it's like this. Let's do this. Fonts span equals document create span. Right. Right. So I should do this. For that I is like state style here. Oops, sorry. Okay, so make a thing, get the right local state. I need a few things here, right? Operation. Up. I need a few things here. So I need local state dot 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 what do I operation dot, I guess, value. Cannot read this. Yes, fine. Text content is we have text content. I also want the UUID. Right. I mean, it's fine. I'm gonna just start passing them in because I really like. I don't know if it's clean to do that, you know. You know. Actually, not much fine. I just want the global. Or local state, yeah. I should have passed in local state, but I swear. Local. Okay, so I have that. Those are the important. Then span dot. How do I create? Uh, add set attribute. Set to attribute. So span dot set attribute data. Attribute. The value. Okay, so the value is the UUID. And then editor dot append child span. Oops, hold on. Let's also do span dot text content content. Right, text node. Wait, what? Create text and give it some text. Create text node. Add the text node to the okay. So span dot append child text con set the attribute that okay. And then we add the span. Okay. We'll do more optimizations when this works. Like don't make a new one. You know, for now I'm just like wiping and making a new one. Which probably might be slow, but we'll see this. Go me. Go. Right. Oh crap. Oh crap. This needs to be done. Go. Hello. Hmm. What's going on here? Why is it doubling? Oh, who is adding that? Text. Oh, hold on. Wait, what? Pen child. Wait, what? What is going on? Hold on. Few things first. Just because I typed the same letter. Is this okay? Let me. I need to do it something. Maybe it's this is because it's probably this. Let's actually get UUID package. Okay, let's try this. Have import UI. Wait, how do I do this? From you. I freaking yes six into. Import from UI. Then I'm doing UID dot. Okay, there's two. Um, call it UUID. Right, this might be the wrong. Uh, Let's see. It broke. Only at the top level of a module. What does this mean? Occurs when a dimper is at the top of this mean. Oh. Oh, make sure the script. Okay. The bear specifier. I don't even know. UUID. Give me something cool from here. Uncut. The specifier UUID was a bear specifier. The bear specifier. Ba, 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 ba. I knew. I had a feeling it was that. V4 as 4 4 and what is this saying? The type specifier UI was a bear specifier, but was not remapped to start with. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. There's no full. I have no idea where this is gonna come from. UUID. I don't know what this is. Freaking node modules. Oh, I guess yeah. Node module. I mean, I don't have to see. mimed text chalker. Use E. Not really using Node though. Or type module. Yep. I was ordered. Where is type module? Modules are automatic interpreted in strict mode. The where's this? Yeah, man. JavaScript, please. The MIME types, advertising content types headers should be respected and not changed. Import MIME type sniffing by specifying the MIME types are deliberately configured. Site security testers usually expect this header to be only apply requesting blocking due to no sniff. I would say request in destination of type style. JavaScript. Oh, why this? Okay. Poor stuff. JavaScript. Makes it easy. Why is there rely on type tag? Type module. Have that. Brother. See, that's the okay, it thinks it's in my why UUID. Excellent. Ridiculous. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do this thing. Choir. Stupid. Why am I work? What? What do you mean requires not to find? JavaScript is so annoying, bro. Always run into this issue. Content type. Ugh. Okay, how to import get HTML. By front end directory. Use those. You need to use God, okay. This will start crying. Use ES6 JavaScript syntax in your front end project. npm init. npmi browser file watch. That's freaking ridiculous. Do I have to put defer in my script? Ridiculous. There's a lot of configuring. As a result, you need to use bruh, JavaScript. Why is there so many like hackarounds to just import something? Browsers cannot read ES6 syntax directly. As a result, you need to use Babel to transpile your ES6 code to normal JS. I guess I can try this, but like, damn, bro, this is such annoying. Okay. Okay. npmi and npmi. Watch it browserify and yep. Reading time as well. Browserify and then npmi reading time save. Then npmi babel core preset. What is reading time? Oh shit. npm uninstall reading time. Okay. Okay, so we have this. Install the dev dependency for your file conversion. I don't know what this does, but you have your installed. Here, you have imported the reading time. Yes, 6. Holy shit. Okay, that's ridiculous. I'm not doing this. Uninstall. What did I install? Browser by install. Uninstall that. Okay. Not doing this. Yes, 6. I'm tired of it. Not what I want. Require. How is require? Wow, is common JS. Is not. Wait. Common. What to Dude, I really hate this JavaScript stuff. It's super annoying. I hate stuff. Choir is not defined. Okay. Maybe I really don't know how to set it. Choir is. Bro, what? Way JavaScript is this like super. Uh, uh, oh, that should be the top level choir call. That should be using async callback of the function code. I need to figure out how to do this. Okay, set up JavaScript project. Look up some people.
So in today's web dev tip, we're going to be looking at how we're going to, and then we're asked to give a version, which I'm going to provide a test command. I'm just answers, and as you can see, and in there is all of the answers to those questions that were asked. -y, and all of the defaults are automatically accepted, and you end up with a new package.json file. And so, for example, if you wanted to install the Axios HTTP library, we would just say npm install Axios, and that will be added into your package.json file as one of the dependencies of your project. So the reason we're adding this package.json file is because the npm install command won't work unless you've got a package.json already set up, and that's essentially what the npm init command is doing for us. So there you go, there's just a quick introduction on how to get set up with a JavaScript project in Visual Studio Code. Make sure you stay tuned for more web dev tips. So in today's web dev tip, I'm going to show you how you can initialize your new JavaScript project as a Git repository. So first of all, in today's web dev tip, we're going to be looking at...
Bro, this is so annoying. You have a freaking setup.
Return the number from this function. We also need to make the user enter a number again if it's invalid. So the way we do that is the following. We're going to say a project symbol. So I'm going to say const selected looks like, and then it'll make this a bit more clear. Okay, so we have our reals. Now I'm going to say, okay, user want anything, and it's easy for us to kind of print out this information.
One of the most valuable skills to have is a full stack world, and it will log that value out on, and then register a callback function as the second namespace. This gives us a function that returns a promise when called. If you're using the latest bleeding edge version of Node, you could potentially use this function with top level await, which means you can use await to resolve the promise here at the top of the script. However, since we're currently using Node version 12, we'll go ahead and wrap this in an async function. And this async await syntax will make your code much easier to read. It fetches your remote packages, saves the source code here, and that process should be able to be repeated on any system. Now that we have this package installed, we can import it by name in our JavaScript code. In this case, we simply require express. And now we've reached the point where we're ready to put the 7 pegged it to a specific version. This dependencies object allows you to manage multiple dependencies in a project and then reinstall them all at once on a different system. Now, of the dependencies that you use here, you'll very likely want to use somebody else's code out there in the world. And the primary place to do that is via node npm, which is a tool you can use to install a JSON file here in the root of the package JSON file. It added express to the dependencies and pegged it to a specific version. This dependencies object allows you to manage multiple dependencies in a project and then reinstall them all at once on a different system. Now the actual raw source code for the dependency lives in this node modules directory. You should never have to modify code in the node modules directory. If you find yourself writing code in here, you're probably doing it wrong. That's because the package JSON controls how this directory is built. It fetches your remote packages, saves the source code here, and that process should be able to be repeated on any system. Now that we have this package installed, we can import it by name in our JavaScript code. In this case, we simply require express. And now we've reached the point where we're ready to put these 7 steps together to build a real full stack application and deploy it to the cloud. What we're building here is actually just your typical full stack web application. Our server will live on a URL, and when a user makes a request to this URL in the browser, the server will respond with some HTML. In our code, we'll first create an instance of an Express app. An Express app allows us to create different URLs and endpoints that a user could navigate to in the...
Bruh, I'm confused why I'm not. There's another day. Whatever. I'll figure it out next time. Anyways. Yeah, I'll definitely figure out that issue and I'll try to code up the other stuff. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you for tomorrow's video.